children, welcome back to Idhant IIT Academy. In the previous lecture we discussed what is symbol and we discussed symbols of some elements. In this session we are going to discuss ion. It's very important concept, ion. Okay, see what is ion. First of all we are going to discuss what is ion. Okay, see, ion is if an atom or molecule with if an atom or molecule with positive or negative charge called as ion. What is ion? Tell me. If an atom means, for example, you can take H, hydrogen atom, Na, sodium atom, already we discussed in the previous lecture, sodium atom, Cl, chlorine atom, or molecule, okay, with positive or negative charge called what? Ions. Okay, see, these are not called ions because no charge, no positive charge or no negative charge. So this is hydrogen atom, this is sodium atom, this is chlorine atom, this is CO2, carbon dioxide molecule, CO2 molecule, H2O, water molecule. These are all neutral. Neutral means there is no any charge, positive or negative. So these are all neutral. These are neutral atoms. These are neutral molecules. If there is no charge on atom or molecule, then they are neutral. But if an atom or molecule with positive or negative charge called what? Ion. Okay, for example, see, H plus, this is ion. Why this is called ion? Atom with positive charge, ion. Na plus, this is also ion. Okay, next, K plus, this is also ion. Cl minus, ion, negative charge, ion. Next, CO3 2 minus, ion. These are only one atom present. Here more than group of atoms with negative charge. This is also ion. One carbon, 3 oxygen atoms, CO3 2 minus, ion. Atom or molecule. Here molecule means group of atoms. What is molecule here? Group of atoms with positive or negative charge, called what? Ion. If there is no any charge, then they are called what? Neutral. Okay, now if there is any charge, positive charge or negative charge, then they are called what? Ions. Okay, now so here CO3 2 minus, SO4 2 minus, this is also ion, group of atoms with negative charge, ion. NH4 plus, this is also ion, group of atoms. This is only one atom, hydrogen 1 atom, sodium 1 atom, positive charge, ion, sodium with positive charge, ion, K plus, ion, Cl minus, ion. So group of atoms with positive or negative charge also ions. These are also ions. Now tell me, NH3. Is NH3 ion? Tell me. Yes, not ion. This is a neutral molecule. Okay, is PCl5 is ion? No, this is also neutral molecule because no charge. No charge. PCl4 plus. PCl4 plus. Now tell me, is this ion or neutral molecule? Ion. Why? Positive charge. Group of atom with positive charge. Now tell me, Ca is ion or atom? Atom. Calcium. Atom. Ca2 plus. Is this atom or ion? Ion. Okay na? So got it? What is the difference between neutral atom or molecule or ion? So what is the ion? If an atom or molecule with positive or negative charge called as what? Ion. Got it? So finally you tell me how many types of ions there are? Yes, you got it. Two types of ions. One positively charged ion, second one is negatively charged ion. Negatively charged ions, two types of ions. What are the two types of ions? Positively charged ions. Positive charged ions. Negatively charged ions. Charged ions. Here this indicates positive. Positive means plus na. Negative. Negative means minus na. So negatively charged ions, positively charged ions. We know positively charged ions also called cation. Very very important. Positively charged ions are called what? Cation. Negatively charged ions are called as anions. Positively charged ion is known as cation. Negatively charged ions known as anion. Positive charge means that is cation. Negative charge means that is anion. Okay. Positively charged ions also called basic radicals. Basic radicals. Negatively charged ions also called acidic radicals. Radicals. Positive charged ions known as what? Cation. Negatively charged ions known as anion. Positively charged ions also called basic radicals. Negatively charged ions also called as what? Acidic radicals. Okay, ions. So we understood the definition of ion. Ion means what? Atom or group of atom with positive or negative charge called what? Ions. So ions two types: positively charged ions, negatively charged ions. Positively charged ions known as cation, negatively charged ions known as anion or acidic radical. For example, see in this one examples: Na plus, K plus, Mg2 plus, Ca2 plus, okay, NH4 plus, PCl4 plus. Different examples. These are atoms with positive charge. These are molecules with positive charge. Cation. All are what? Cations. Okay. See. Anions. Example: Cl minus, O2 minus, Br minus, I minus, CO3 2 minus, SO4 2 minus. So these are all example for what? Anions. Anions means negative charge. Cation means positive charge. Okay na? Next, how a cation is formed? How a positive charge is formed? Cation is formed by loss of electrons. How cation is formed? By loss of electrons. By loss of electrons from the neutral atom. Cation is formed by the loss of electrons from the neutral atom. For example, see, if it lost one electron, one positive charge is present. If it lost two electron, two positive charges present. If it lost three electrons, three positive charge present. Na. If it lost one electron, then what? Na plus is formed. Tell me how a positive charge is formed? By loss of electron. Here how many electrons? It lost one electron. That's why positive charge. This is neutral atom. From neutral atom, if lost electrons, then formed cation. That means positive ion. Okay na? For example, Mg. If it lost two electrons, then how many positive charges are formed? Mg2 plus. Two positive charge present means it lost two electrons. One positive charge is present means it lost one electron. No charge is present means no loss of electrons or no gain of electrons. Here see how an anion is formed. Reverse. Here by loss of electron, here gain of electron. By gain of electron. By gain of electrons. How an anion is formed? By gain of electrons. For example, Cl, one electron gain, formed Cl minus. One electron gain means one negative charge. Two electron gain means two negative charges. Okay na? For example, sulfur plus two electrons, it gives rise to S2 minus. This is two negative charge. Why two negative charge? It gained two electrons. Okay na? Got it? Okay, how a positive charge cation is formed? Tell me. By loss of electrons. If it lost one electron, how many positive charges are present? One positive charge. If it lost two electrons, how many positive charges present? Two positive charge. How anion is formed? By gain of electrons. If it gain one electron, once minus negative charge is formed. If gain two electrons, how many negative charges formed? Two negative charges formed. Okay na? Now understood the difference between cation and anion. Cation means positively charged ion. Anion means negatively charged ion. Cation is formed by the loss of electrons. Anion is formed by the gain of electrons. Okay na? Next. In cation, we know before, see, an atom contains electrons, protons, neutrons. These are subatomic particles. Okay na? So we will discuss in detail in the further class. Okay na? But here just remember, atom contains what? Electrons, protons, neutrons. Protons and neutrons present in nucleus of atom. Protons and neutrons present in what? Nucleus of atom. Electrons revolves around the nucleus. Okay, see, but finally atom contains what? Electrons, protons, neutrons. In a neutral atom, number of electrons, E minus means electron, is equal to number of protons. Remember, once again I repeat, atom contains what? In an atom, electrons, protons, neutrons present. These are subatomic particles. We will discuss in detail in the further class. But you just remember here, atom contains electrons, protons, neutrons. Protons, neutrons present in nucleus of atom. Atom electrons revolves around the nucleus. But here in a neutral atom, number of electrons equal to number of protons. For example, see. For example, you take hydrogen. In hydrogen atom, one proton, one electron present. How you can say in hydrogen atom one proton, one electron is present? Because hydrogen atomic number 1. Atomic number Z is equal to 1. Okay, we will discuss atomic numbers and remaining in the further class. But here hydrogen contain one proton means hydrogen atomic number 1. So this is a neutral atom. That's why it has one proton, one electron. One proton, one electron. Similarly, helium atomic number 2. So it has 2 protons, 2 electrons. 2 protons, 2 electrons, helium. Because in a neutral atom, number of electrons equal to number of protons. In a neutral atom, no charge. Okay now, carbon atomic number 6. Atomic number 6 means it has 6 electrons and 6 protons. So 6 protons, 6 electrons. Okay na? Next, sodium atomic number 11. That means it has 11 protons and 11 electrons. 11 protons and 11 electrons. See, all these are neutral atoms. That's why protons to electrons equal neutral atom. But in an ion, number of protons not equal to number of electrons. Number of protons not equal to number of electrons in an ion. Okay, but in a neutral atom, number of protons equal to number of electrons. But in an ion, number of protons not equal to number of electrons. Why? For suppose in cation, see, number of protons, P indicates here protons, greater than number of electrons. Why number of protons greater than number of electrons means what? In a cation, protons more than electrons. In a cation, protons more than electrons. Protons ఎక్కువగా ఉంటాయి electrons కంటే. ఓకేనా? Why? Discuss one example. See, sodium. We know in a neutral sodium atom 11 protons 11 electrons present. 11 protons 11 electrons present. Sodium. How a cation is formed? By loss of electron or gain of electron? By loss of electron. Sodium lost 1 electron one electron, it lost one electron, form positive charge. So it lost one electron, then one electron less. In neutral atom how many protons? 11 protons, 11 electrons in neutral atom. But in cation, protons no change, there is no loss of protons there is no change. So 11 protons, but how many electrons? 11. Already you remove one electron, ఒక electron ని నువ్వు remove చేసేసాం, remove one electron. Then how many electrons present in Na plus? 10. Tell me. So protons more or electrons more in a cation? Protons more. 11 is higher number than 10, so 11 greater than 10. So in cation number of protons greater than number of electrons. So in cation protons more than electrons. One more example, magnesium atomic number 12. That means it contains 12 protons and 12 electrons. Neutral atom, 12 protons, 12 electrons. In a neutral atom, protons to electrons equal. It lost 2 electrons. How many electrons it lost? 2 electrons. So how many positive charges are formed? Tell me. 2 positive charges, Mg2 plus. Now tell me, no change in protons, so 12 protons, then electrons, already 12 electrons, you remove 2 electrons, 12 minus 2, 10. Now 10 electrons only present, not 12. So here 12 greater than 10, so cation. So in a cation, number of protons greater than number of electrons. That means protons సంఖ్య ఎక్కువగా ఉంటుంది ఎలక్ట్రాన్స్ కంటే క్యాటయాన్లో. వై? క్యాటయాన్ ఎలా ఫామ్ అవుతుంది? బై లాస్ ఆఫ్ ఎలక్ట్రాన్స్. ఓకేనా? సో ఈ 12 ప్రోటాన్స్, సో నో చేంజ్ ఇన్ ప్రోటాన్స్ సంఖ్య సేమ్ అట్లానే ఉంటుంది, నో చేంజ్. 12 ప్రోటాన్స్ బట్ చేంజ్ ఎలక్ట్రాన్స్. హియర్ ఇన్ న్యూట్రల్ ఆటమ్ 12, యూ రిమూవ్ 2 ఎలక్ట్రాన్స్, 2 ఎలక్ట్రాన్స్ నువ్వు తీసేసావు. సో రిమైనింగ్ ఎలక్ట్రాన్స్ 10. అప్పుడు ప్రోటాన్ సంఖ్య ఎక్కువ ఉంటుంది ఎలక్ట్రాన్ సంఖ్య కంటే. సో 12 గ్రేటర్ దాన్ 10. సో ఫైనల్లీ ఇన్ క్యాటయాన్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ ప్రోటాన్స్ గ్రేటర్ దాన్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ electrons. Why number of protons greater than number of electrons? Because electrons removed from the neutral atom, that's why number of electrons less. In anion, reverse. Why? Because gain. In anion number of protons, P indicates protons, less than number of electrons. ఇక్కడ ఎలక్ట్రాన్స్ సంఖ్య ఎక్కువ ఉంటుంది ప్రోటాన్స్ కంటే. క్యాటయాన్లో ప్రోటాన్స్ సంఖ్య ఎక్కువ ఎలక్ట్రాన్స్ కంటే. యానియాన్లో ఎలక్ట్రాన్స్ ఎక్కువ ఉంటాయి. ఎందుకు? యానియాన్ ఎలా ఫామ్ అవుతుంది? బై గెయిన్ ఆఫ్ ఎలక్ట్రాన్స్. యానియాన్ ఈజ్ ఫార్మ్డ్ బై గెయిన్ ఆఫ్ electrons. Okay, for example, see chlorine atomic number 17 means what? It has 17 protons and 17 electrons. Neutral atom contains same number of protons and same number of electrons, equal number of protons and electrons. Neutral atom, it gain 1 electron, gain plus. Okay, it gain 1 electron from Cl minus. Why 1 negative charge is formed? Because it gain 1 electron. Now tell me, there is no change in protons. 17 protons, no change. So 17 electrons plus 1 electron, total 18 electrons. Here electrons సంఖ్య ఎక్కువగా ఉంటుంది ప్రోటాన్స్ కంటే, బికాస్ anion is formed by gain of electrons. ఓకేనా? సో యానియాన్లో ఎలక్ట్రాన్ నెంబర్ మోర్ దాన్ ప్రోటాన్. బట్ ఇన్ క్యాటయాన్ ప్రోటాన్ నెంబర్ మోర్ దాన్ ఎలక్ట్రాన్. Got it? One more. Oxygen plus oxygen atomic number 8. It has 8 protons and 8 electrons. Neutral atom. In neutral atom, protons electrons equal. It gained 2 electrons. 2 electrons now formed O2 minus. O2 minus. O2 minus means it gained 2 electrons. It gained 2 electrons. Okay now. So here protons same, no change in protons, but electrons, 2 more electrons are 8 plus 2. 2 electrons gain. So then total electrons 10. Got it? So in anion, electrons more than protons. That means proton number less than electrons. Proton సంఖ్య ఎలక్ట్రాన్ సంఖ్య కంటే తక్కువగా ఉంటుంది, లెస్ దాన్. ఓకేనా? బట్ ఇన్ క్యాటయాన్ ప్రోటాన్ సంఖ్య ఎక్కువ ఎలక్ట్రాన్స్ కంటే. ప్రోటాన్స్ గ్రేటర్ దాన్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ ఎలక్ట్రాన్స్. బట్ ఇన్ న్యూట్రల్ atom this is neutral because no charge. Protons electrons equal. Got it? Okay, so finally these are ions, cation and anion. In the next class we will discuss different type of cations and different type of anions. Okay, thank you.